Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into your verified Binance account and making sure 2FA is active for security. Once logged in, go straight to Wallet, then choose Fiat and Spot. That's where deposits live. You pick Bitcoin as the asset to deposit because that creates the address you need. Make sure you already decided which network you will use. The network choice determines the actual address format and prevents loss. Now tap Deposit to begin the address generation process. Once you choose Deposit and pick Crypto, select Bitcoin BTC, and then select the precise network shown. This is crucial because choosing the wrong network can irreversibly lose funds. Binance will display a BTC address and a QR code. You either tap Copy Address or use the QR. Note: Bitcoin deposits generally do not use a memo or tag, so don't enter one unless explicitly shown. After copying, double-check the first and last 6 characters visually to confirm accuracy. You should send a small test BTC amount first to verify everything works. Once sent, track the TZID on a blockchain explorer and watch confirmations. After the required confirmations, check Binance deposit history to ensure the funds landed in your account. If the deposit is missing, do not resend, gather the TZID, the sending address, and which network used, then contact Binance support with those details. This lets them trace the transfer and resolve most deposit issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.